How to turn on or turn off transcript summary on device for Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. Now here, so click on this three dot icon. Now here, click on settings. Now in call settings, scroll down and you will see third option is record calls. So after click on record calls, click on transcript assist. So after click on transcript assist, you will see, so if you want to turn on or turn off transcript summary on device, so you will see this is transcript summary on device. So if you want to turn on transcript summary device, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see transcript summary on device is turn on. So if you want to turn off transcript summary on device, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see transcript summary on device is turn off. So you will turn on or turn off transcript summary on device from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off transcript summary on device for Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.